Hi, welcome to A2Z So today we are going to discuss about NLP, Natural Language Processing in Python to detect the languages. Generally you used to have Google language detection, right? So if I type something in English and Google language detection will say this is English. If I type something in Spanish, it will say it is Spanish, China language, then Chinese, then Japanese, etc. So now I am going to show you in practical like how in Python we are going to detect the languages. We have a lot of libraries in Python. So one such library which I'm going to show you now is TextBlob. So you can install TextBlob by using pip command. So in PyCharm, I'm using PyCharm. So if you are using some editor like this, for example, in PyCharm, go to File Settings, Project Interpreter, then click this plus symbol and then you can install TextBlob. So click this install package and that's it. Now we can see I have a code here. Now we can see. So I have written the code. So the very important thing what you need to note is all about you have to add this first line is very important. This is commented but Python will consider this line. So since we are using other languages, if you see here other than English I use some other languages as well. So your Python libraries as well as the editor can't able to read the languages other than English. So you have to use an encoding strategy called UTF-8, and very important, the space whatever it is here you have to give as it is. If you remove one space or something like that, it won't work. Sometimes it won't work. So for safe and side I will give the exact line in the description box of this video. You can copy paste it. Okay, very important. Without this line you will get error and you can't able to fix it. When I have started long back, when I've started this NLP process, it took some time for me to fix this. Actually a day, it took a day for me to fix this. Okay, then you have to import text blob, import text blob. So not only text blob, you use any libraries, you need the first line to be get added. Okay, not only for a text blob. So now if you see here, I created a variable, then I'm creating a function text blob and I'm using a function text blob and I'm passing the word, and then the variable I'm creating another variable z equal to word10 dot detect language is the function you have to invoke, and that's it. So if you see here, this is English, and you can see this is my mother tongue, which is we call it as Tamil. So in Tamil, like it's all about saying hello and hi. So then you can see Hindi, and then you can see Arabic, and then Spanish, and then Chinese, and then Japanese. Okay, so now I run this code. Now you can able to see, so the very first language what we have given is, so it will give only the first two letters of the language name. Okay, en English. So the next is my mother tongue Tamil, so ta, and then you can see Hindi hi, and then Arabic, so ar, and then Spanish es, and then Chinese zh-cn. So it's a tag name they have specifically given like that. I'm not sure so why it comes as zh-cn, and then Japanese, so ja. So you can even add many other languages. So TextBlob supports many other languages as well. So in this video, the main thing I want to focus is all about just to show you how to detect the languages which we give as an input, some language. So it has to detect. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to translate from one language to another one. So if I type something vanakkam, so this we call in Tamil as vanakkam. So when I say vanakkam in English, it has to show hi. So something like that, how to translate. You have Google Translator, right? So in left hand side and right hand side you used to type something and you will get the translated word on right side, and vice versa. So in the next video I'm going to show you like how by using TextBlob we are going to do the translation of word translator from one language to another language. So thanks for watching A2Z If you really like this video, subscribe my channel and forward this to your friends and colleagues. We provide many tech videos in two languages, English and Tamil. So thanks for watching A2Z So if you want a complete playlist link of NLP, the complete videos, you can find the link in the description box of this video where you can get the complete Python videos for NLP. Okay, so thanks for watching.